to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. ESG CEO in double role, earning from Goa government but working for setting up a film city in Malwan. Prudent accesses 2 letters from foreign companies. Srivastava claims that letters are manipulated. Francis Sardina, front-runner for GPCC president's post. Congress may announce final decision within a fortnight. Sunburn starts from Thursday. Around 50,000 participants expected. Will the festival follow all guidelines laid down by the government? The ambulance in Rajnath Singh's Karket was practically a scrap without ventilators, oxygen cylinder or a stretcher. And labourer from Kharaban area in Madgaon crushed under a train. He was crossing the track by climbing over the guard railing. And now the news in detail. It is now confirmed that ESG CEO Srivastava is promoting the mega film city coming up at Malwan rather than working for healthy film culture in Goa. Prudent has accessed letters addressed to Srivastava by 2 foreign firms for developing content for the film city in Malwan. The letters clearly reveal that Srivastava is enjoying at the cost of Goa government and creating film culture in Maharashtra. A sensational and exclusive on dual role of Srivastava.
Chief Executive Officer of Entertainment Society of Goa, Srivastava, appointed during Congress regime, is engaged in a scandalous act for the past 1 year. Srivastava, serving as a government servant with Goa government, is busy rendering his valuable services to set up a Bollywood film city at Malwan instead of sprouting a film culture in Goa. Srivastava was earlier in the line of fire from all quarters for his alleged links with Malwan Bollywood film city.
I feel that with the CEO that they have, a person whom they have not even chosen, who has not even been interviewed, and who's promoting film city outside Goa. Film festival
This is not all. CEO of ESG is a proud owner of a media corporation company registered in the name as Srivastava Media Corporation Private Limited. Prudent has accessed the sensational and startling documents which confirms Srivastava's role in promoting the film city at Malwan. Have a look at this correspondence between 3D Twins London and Srivastava's company. The letter is dated 19 September 2012. It states, "Further to our meeting in February 2012 and our subsequent communications, I would like to confirm, subject to the satisfactory execution of a formal agreement between us, that 3D Twins Limited would like, in a partnership with Srivastava Media Corporation Private Limited, to assume a leading role in establishing a vision for Bollywood theme museum of moving images incorporating 3D twins of Bollywood legends and superstars in Bollywood, the film city Malwan, Maharashtra, India." Prudent has accessed another letter from BNA Germany, magazine for Indian cinema and culture. The letter is dated 20th September 2012, addressing to Srivastava Media Corporation Private Limited. It says, "This is to further confirm that we will extend all our services to promote and market Bollywood, the film city Malwan, Maharashtra, being developed by your company through our various IPs." Ironically, all this was happening when Vice Chairperson of ESG, Vishnu Wag, was speaking about 2 film cities in Goa.
We are inheriting some product. So, पण आम्ही
एक्सटेंशन दिली नाही
काय सांगता जे पद्धतीन आम्ही काम करतात, आमकां फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑर्गनायज करपाक जाय. त्या दृश्टींतल्यान जे कितें योग्य डिसिजन आसा तें डिसिजन आमी घेतलां. पण म्हजें म्हणणें अशें की म्हजे पुरतें जर उलयतलो तूं जाल्यार आय एम ट्रायंग टू हॅव अ फिल्म सिटी इन गोवा इटसेल्फ. म्हजे प्रयत्न चल्ले आनी एकूच न्ही तर 2 हाडपाक, एक नॉर्थ गोंयांत एक सावथ गोंयांत.
Meanwhile, our correspondent contacted Srivastava for his version. Srivastava claimed that the letters are manipulated. Srivastava Media Corporation is registered in his son's name. He has nothing to do with it. He had a talk with BNA Germany and 3D Twin London, but for film cities in Goa and not for Malwan. No further correspondence. Srivastava. Will the government investigate and take a suitable action against this officer? Will government renew his agreement in January in spite of his dubious activities? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
South Goa MP Francis Sardina is the front-runner for the post of GPCC President. Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald is on the second position. Ravi Naik was earlier considered as the man for the job, but the resurgence of Royal Lucky episode has snatched the opportunity from the hands of former Home Minister. Sources confirm that State Congress will get its new president in January. The hunt for GPCC President has gained momentum after the departure of AICC General Secretary Rahul Gandhi from Goa. 3 names were considered as the candidates suitable for this post. Francis Sardina is a front-runner while Alex Reginald is at the second position. Ravi Naik was considered for the post, but sources confirm that he has lost the opportunity due to the latest Royal Lucky controversy. Alex Reginald's name was figuring on top of the list, but Sardin camp opposed it strongly. Sardin is all set to accept the post at any given time.
I'm a soldier of the party. I'm there to take up any work that is given for the betterment of the party in this state.
आमचे प्लॅन म्हणले एकूच, सुभाष आसूं, सार्दिनी आसूं, कोण आसूं, आमी काँग्रेस स्ट्रॉंग करपाक जाय. फाल्यां गेले ते पावट आमी पिड्डेर जाले, BJP जिखले, सगळी प्रॉमिसीस दिवन. आज ती प्रॉमिसीस तांतली कितली तांणी शर्ती पावयले ती गोंयच्या जनते खबर आसा. मायनिंगाचेर इतले लोक डिपेंड जाताले. कितें जाता ताजी रिपरकेशन सगळ्यांकूच चालू जाता. तो आतां रोखडें तो म्हणटा ही स्कीम काडटलो, ती स्कीम काडटलो, सगळी स्कीम काडून खंय पावले.
Sources confirm that GPCC President might be appointed within a fortnight in January. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
The Goa State Cooperative Bank Limited, the apex financing agency in the cooperative sector in the state of Goa, Daman and Diu. Goan Bank for Goans. Special Christmas and New Year offer. Provides loan for all type of agricultural and allied activities, including dairy farming and self-help groups at concessional rate of interest. Loans for purchase of 2 and 4 wheelers at 10.50% for salary earners and 10.75% for others and sanctioned within 24 hours. Gold loan at 12% per annum at Rs 2,000 per gram and limit of Rs 3 lakhs. Housing loan for salary earners up to Rs 10 lakhs at 10%.